If your toilet is constantly running after every flush, chances are your fill valve needs to be replaced. Let's fix it. Start by putting a bowl or something on the floor to catch the water once we take this fill valve out. Next, we're going to turn the water off. We don't want that going while we're making any repairs. Next, flush the toilet to remove the majority of the water from the holding tank. Once most of the water is drained, we're going to take an adjustable wrench and get this water line off first. Once you got that off, you need to loosen the plastic fill valve nut holding in the fill valve. Once it's loose, water will start dripping, so make sure you have your bowl positioned correctly to catch the water. Once you get the nut all the way off, you can now pull the fill valve up. As you can see, the bowl I used was just big enough, so you may want to get a bigger container. Now, you can completely remove the fill valve from the toilet tank. And here's the replacement fill valve. I got it from Lowe's. I think it was about $10, so it's fairly cheap. Now I'm just comparing them side by side. The new one is a universal fit one, but I just want to make sure that the sizing is pretty closely comparable. Also push both floats up to make sure that the fill level is the same on each one. Since the old one had a pretty perfect fill level, I want the new one to match that one. Now you can attach the water tube to the fill valve. Put the new fill valve in and make sure that that tube isn't crimped or bent in any way. You want to make sure that it flows smoothly so that water doesn't get trapped inside of it. Next, we'll take the new plastic nut and put it on the bottom of the fill valve. Hand tight should be plenty tight enough. It is just plastic. Next, reconnect the water lines and tighten that down with the adjustable wrench. Now you can turn the water back on and test it out. If you've made it this far in the video, I just want to sincerely say thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, leave a like Definitely helps the channel out. And in the comments section, how about leave your favorite Bible verse? I really enjoy making these videos, but there's nothing more important than you and your relationship with God. He changed my life for the better, and I know that he can do the same for you. I know the world will tell you a million different things and try to deceive you, but there is only one true way to eternal life, and that's through Jesus Christ. If you want more content like this, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless.